going on, guys? Vince Reed here, and in today's video we're talking about the 5 things that 2 Comma Club earners do that others simply don't. We're talking about the 5 things that ClickFunnels 2 Comma Club earners do that other entrepreneurs simply don't. So basically, ClickFunnels is a company that allows you to build funnels and websites, and they came out with this award called the 2 Comma Club Award, and it's an award given out to people who earn $1 million or more in one sales funnel. And I think there's 60,000 plus members, and there's less than 400 2 Comma Club earners. And people always ask me, say, how did you do it? Like, what do I need to get there? So I want to give you guys 5 things that you definitely need to know that essentially 2 Comma Club earners are doing that other entrepreneurs aren't, and even the bird wants to know. All right, so I'm going to be quick because I want to get over there and play with the family, because that's really what it's all about. All right, so number 1, the big picture and the big scope of things, it comes down to focus. All right, and if you look at the acronym of focus, I believe it's follow one course until successful. All right, so it comes down to focus, and there's 5 things that you need to focus on. All right, the first thing you need to focus on if you want to get a 2 Comma Club award is you have to focus in on one niche. Okay, one niche market. Okay, so a cool story that kind of gets me thinking when I think about focusing on one niche, because I was one that was jumping around a lot when I got started online, and I would try all these different things: affiliate marketing, network marketing, creating products, selling physical products, all these things, until I really focused in on one thing. Okay, I really didn't start getting results. So you need to focus in on one thing. And also, if you follow and listen to people, for example, back in the day when I was growing up, everyone was into Bruce Lee movies for whatever reason. And he had this saying, he's like, you don't want to, practice, kicking 1,000 times. You want to basically practice one kick 1,000 times, right? So that, always think about that. And when I'm building a business, I'm like, what is the one niche? What is the one thing that I want to focus in on? So whatever you're doing, whatever you're selling, okay, my goal for you is to focus in on that one thing. Focus in on one niche and allow all of your energy and everything to go towards that one niche. Okay, so 2 Comma Club earners, absolutely focus in on one niche. Okay, number 2, okay, you have to focus in on one funnel. All right, now ClickFunnels is a blessing and a curse, in my opinion. It's a blessing because we can build these amazing pages and websites in seconds. All right, we can build all types of funnels, and I've fallen victim to this, where I get an idea, I'm like, oh, let's build a funnel for that. Or I get another idea, let's build a funnel for that. And at the end of the day, you end up getting nothing done. All right, so the cool thing about ClickFunnels is that there's so many people that have had success that you can go look at the funnels that they're using and basically mirror them. Okay, don't copy them, but mirror them. And they've already proven to be successful, so you don't have to figure it out. When I got started, okay, there weren't things like ClickFunnels. I had to go pay a guy literally thousands of dollars to build one page. And half the time I'd get the page back and the video would be over here and the words would be over here, and it was like a complete nightmare. I had to pay another $200-300 just to fix it. So because the tool is so awesome, people end up making all these funnels and never get anything done. So you really only need one funnel. So what you want to do is leverage some of the things ClickFunnels has done. So for example, if you go to their main website, it doesn't even matter what business you're in. You can pick the industry that you are in and go and basically get a funnel specific for your industry. And not only that, you can mirror what you've seen them do to attract businesses in specific industries. All right, so you never have to guess. And when you get that funnel, trust me, it works. Just focus in on that one thing. You don't need a million funnels. You need one funnel, and you need one niche. All right, so again, the first 2, you need to basically focus in on one niche, and number 2, you need to basically focus in on one funnel. All right, and the whole scheme of everything I'm talking about right now, it's all about focus. All right, which leads me to number 3. All right, so number 3, what you want to do is you want to focus in on having one main offer. Okay, you want to have one main offer. And I see a lot of people, because they're trying so many things and they're just in it trying to make money, okay, and they have a million different offers and they're not making money with any of them. Okay, so focus in on having one main offer, and then just basically figure out what that is. If you have an offer, and if you're selling something, you've thought about it, you already believe that it has value to someone, right? Because you wouldn't be offering it if you didn't. Hopefully you're offering things that are valuable. And if that's the case, if you have that one offer, focus in on it. And if you can't decide which one, just ask yourself which one has the biggest impact and moves you towards what we kind of talked about earlier, that element of purpose in your life, right? So which offer is moving you towards that element of purpose and focus in on that one offer. If you've got a million offers, it's not going to work. All right, you're going to basically be doing a bunch of stuff, and people aren't going to buy. And when they see you, they're going to get confused. They're going to be, is that the guy that sells this product or that product? They're never going to have a clear idea of what you do. You know, when people find me online, they quickly know that I'm a guy that loves marketing, lead generation, traffic. I've made it very clear with my brand and everything that I do, so people never have to guess. All right, and I don't want people to have to guess with your products as well. All right, so again, one offer. All right, now for those of you who are watching this and you're just curious, like, well, what does this guy do, or how does he, basically make his money? I'm definitely going to put a link in this video, in the description of this video. Go ahead and check it out, and you'll be able to actually see what I do and how I help businesses get customers, and how you could actually mirror what I'm doing and put yourself on the fast track to actually potentially getting your own 2 Comma Club award. All right, which leads me to number 4. All right, very important. And if you're getting value, do me a huge favor. Make sure you hit the like button or comment wherever you're watching this. Because I do these things for you, and for me, it's all about giving back and trying to help other people get there. I know that it's very easy for people to basically focus in on the negative, like you get a negative comment or you get somebody say something bad about what you're trying to do. And for me, I always focus on the good. And every single day, I get people that reach out to me and they go, Vince, thank you for that video. It means the world to me. So if you're getting value for this, definitely let me know. Which leads me to number 4. Okay, you want to focus in on one traffic source. And this is coming from a guy that literally loves them all right? But it didn't start off that way. When I first got started, I was using one thing. When I first got started, I was using Google AdWords. And then it kind of went into social media as that started to come into play. So what you need to do is focus in on one thing. And the way you pick the one traffic source that you want to use is the one that you basically believe in the most. All right, so for example, if you're a person that uses Facebook more than you use Instagram, then I would focus in on Facebook ads. If you use YouTube more than you use Facebook, then I'd focus in on YouTube ads. If you use Twitter more than you use YouTube, then I'd focus on Twitter ads. They all work, okay? They all work. There's not a traffic platform out there that doesn't work. When people come to me and they go, Vince, which marketing method, which traffic strategy should I use? Which one is the best? And I go, well, what you're really asking me is which one can you put in money and have it basically shoot money back at you is what you're really asking me, because the truth of the matter is they all work. When you use a traffic source, what you're doing is you're paying for that click. You're paying for that impression. And I'm yet to meet a traffic source when I put money in it that I don't get an impression and I don't get a click. So they all work. It's really about your skill level and strategy. That's a whole nother topic. But again, focus in on one strategy and perfect it. So one traffic source and you'll be good to go. All right, which leads me to number 5. All right, so this one is something that I think a lot of people lack, and it causes them to really change directions a lot in their business. And number 5 is that you need to focus in on each and every day perfecting tip number 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so what you have to do is each and every day you have to go back in and say, okay, I've chose my niche. Okay, how can I actually get better at the niche that I chose? How can I provide more value to the marketplace? How can I basically get even better at understanding my customer? All right, so you pick your niche and you go in and you basically perfect it. Then you go into number 2 and you say, okay, my funnel. How can I actually get in and make my funnel better? How can I make it convert better? How can I tweak the headline or the video on the page, or whatever it may be? And you just focus in on that one funnel, and each and every day you focus in on how you can make that better. All right, then you go into your offer. Okay, how can I make my offer more irresistible? What else can I offer that provides more value to my customers so they go, man, I got to get this product or service. I need to be connected to this person. What kind of value can you provide? How many more videos can you put out there to help them? All right, so again, it's focus on those things. Right, and then the 4th thing is your traffic source. How can you get better? How can you provide better strategies? How can you be more effective with your marketing? How can you get your cost per click down and your conversions higher? So tip number 5 is that they focus on making tips 1 through 2, 3, and 4 better. All right, and if you woke up each and every day and all of your energy was focused in on those things, you'd absolutely crush it. Okay, you'd absolutely crush it. All right, so if you want to get your 2 Comma Club award, okay, and if you want to do what essentially people that aren't getting these awards aren't doing, follow those 5 tips. Okay, focus all of your energy on those 4 things, and in tip 5, focus on making those 4 things better, and you will absolutely crush it. All right, so hope you got a ton of value. I am going to head back over with the family and play and relive my childhood with my kids, and this is really what it's all about. We talk about how can you make an impact. it's not, for me, it really has never really been about the money. It's been about this type of stuff. You know, on a regular day, being able to just go and spend time with my family and do the things that I want to do when I want to do them. You know, that's really what it's all about. All right, so for those of you who got value from this video, for those of you who want to learn how to actually leverage the power of the internet and build a business, okay, do me this favor. Go ahead and click on the link on this video in the description of this video, and I'll show you how I actually, you know, help people just like you, help businesses get more customers, and how you can actually get paid to do that. All right, so I'll show you how to do that. And also, do me another favor, comment, let me know if you got value. Let me know if one of the 4 tips that I talked about is something that resonates with you, something that you feel that you can do better. And trust me, I go back through the comments. It will be me that actually answers back to you. I love to connect, and I love all that stuff. That's what it's all about. That's why we have social media. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna go play and go down the slide and play with the family and have a good time. And I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next one, I'll see you on the internet. Later.